We are not everything. We are not everyone. Only ever-changing, selfless, impermanent nature is everyone and everything. With this right understanding, we all should try to be the one with ever-changing, selfless, impermanent nature in order to detach from our own attachment of oneself or one person, one thing, one time and one place. Doing bad with our own body and mind is the cause of facing with bad experience or consequence of ourselves when there is right time. Doing good of our body and mind is the cause of good experience or consequence of ourselves when there is right time. Stabilizing and purifying the mind is the cause of enlightenment. This is the law of karma or karmic law for all infinite living beings. Accepting and applying this karmic law in our daily activities are detaching from our own intelligence and ability of one living being. Not only in practicing meditation, but also in our daily activities, we should do with detachment from oneself or one person, one thing, one time and one place. Attachment is the cause of suffering, problems, difficulties, stress, depression, worry, fear. Detachment is the cause of free from all these physical and mental problems. This teaching is about cause and effect or action and the same reaction of ever-changing, selfless, impermanent nature. It is really helpful to detach from self or one person, one thing, one time and one place. Because of attachment on self, I have been busy, especially for myself or oneself, concerned with my education and business. Because of detaching from self, doing all kinds of good deeds for everyone and everything or all living beings and all non-living beings or infinite universe. From 1999 till now. Because of attachment on self, I was alone. Because of attachment on self, I was alone and the rest infinite living beings are not concerned with me. Because of detachment on self, I am everyone or infinite living beings. Infinite living beings become I. I am not alone anymore. Physical, verbal, and mental action of the other living beings are also concerned with me. I already did the same in our previous life. In fact, nearly all the living beings are doing the same good and bad action. In this way, we all are facing with the same good and bad consequence. Only the time, place, condition will be different. We all are the same travelers on endless life journey or cycle. We all are the same ever-changing, selfless, impermanent nature. This teaching is not only for meditators, but also for all living beings. This is not only for practicing meditation, but also for every activities of our daily life. In this way, anyone is welcome to use this right understanding and action to combine with whatever we used to do. Guided meditation is over now. Please share your experience and then question and answer.